Breckenridge Oktoberfest, presented by Breckenridge Brewery, makes its triumphant return to historic Main Street. Make the most of your Prost with these tips. Pre-purchase your collectible Breckenridge Oktoberfest stein at gobrec.com and receive 2 drink tokens. The Riverwalk Center will be the designated location to pick up pre-purchase steins and purchase steins day of event. Breckenridge Oktoberfest is a plastic bottle-free event. Bring your reusable water bottle and fill up with refreshing Breckenridge H2O at water stations located throughout Main Street. Please leave your pets at home. As much as we love dogs, Breckenridge Oktoberfest is not a dog-friendly event. All stein and token sales will be cashless and must be purchased with a credit or debit card. Join the family-friendly fun on Friday and Sunday with a bounce house, face painting, and more activities for kids on the Riverwalk Center lawn. Visit gobrec.com for more information and to purchase your collectible stein.